Good afternoon. This is the Big Toe, second in command foot of CSX, and I'm in Glendale on Saturday, July 10th. It's about 5:40 p.m. And to say that things are lively around here would be a gross misrepresentation of things that are factual, because we haven't seen a train here in over an hour and a half. Jacksonville. Queensgate. What the hell are you doing? I want this place to come to life. We have a lot more shareholders now since we did a 3-for-1 split on our stock on June 29th, 2021. The only problem with that is it invites a bunch of low-lifers with money to invest in our company, thereby diluting our earnings per share. That was horrific to some of our longtime shareholders. So let's try to make everybody happy, and let's get some revenue trades moving up and down the line in multiple numbers in both directions. If not, I'll come down here. I'm not playing around. I am energized to find you and to weed out all the slackers, grab you by the scruff of the neck, watch your eyes bulge before I push you down the stairs.